you want to learn how to get started with Google Documents, this video is for you. So now let's get started. So open a new browser and open a new tab, right? So then click on the menu icon here. The menu icon, you see it at the, close to your Google profile here. So click on it. Once you click on it, then scroll down. You see doc logo, right? Just click on it. Once you click on it, then it will take you to Google Documents page. Then you will see start a new document, and there is a button below the start a new document. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, it will take you to the Google Documents page or canvas. Then you can type whatever text that you want. So I'm just going to type hello world. This is my first Google document file. So if you do this, you've successfully created your first Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.